Every knee is different. Every person's knee pain is unique. And that's why every knee replacement surgery should be personalized. Personalized Solutions technology allows surgeons to create 3D printed instruments to match each patient's specific anatomy. Only your surgeon can determine if knee replacement is right for you. Risks include implant wear, infection, loosening, or failure. Zimmer Biomet is giving surgeons the tools they need to really make it personal. Doesn't that sound nice? Find a surgeon and learn more about Personalized Solutions technology at ZimmerBiomet.com.